Hey everyone, Tom Gaumond, owner of G2 Insurance Services here. So I had a couple minutes to kill, and I was recently asked a question, and I thought it would be a good question for 2 minutes with Tom. So the question was, what is the difference between an insurance broker and an insurance agent? And I thought, well, yeah, okay, that's a good question. I think a lot of people get those confused, but before we get to that, I thought it might be a good idea to just kind of explain the different ways everyone can buy insurance. So the first way we'll talk about is direct to consumer. So companies like Geico or Progressive or USAA or Amica, they don't have local agents. You have to generally call their 800 number, go online, and buy it direct from them. The second way is a captive agent. So a captive agent is going to be a company like State Farm or American Family or Farmers or Allstate. When you go to those agents, they only have one company that they represent generally, and that's it. So basically they go through and they offer that company and they're done. Then you get to independent agents. So independent insurance agents like G2 Insurance, we represent a number of different companies. Companies like Erie Insurance, or West Bend, or Acuity, or Travelers, or even Progressive. So Progressive sells two different ways. Those companies, though, generally speaking, a lot of them only allow you to buy through independent agents like us. So those are really the three different ways that you can buy coverage. So what's a broker? Well, a lot of people get confused and they think an independent agent is a broker. The technical difference is that we as independent agents get paid commission when we sell you a policy. We don't charge you, the consumer, a fee, whereas a broker ends up charging a fee. So brokers oftentimes are involved in really large operations where, like their Pfizer form or something like that, they're not collecting commission on that. They're actually getting paid a fee to do the work that they do. So that is the technical definition difference between a broker and an independent agent. But for a lot of people, it's really interchangeable. Now, in the next video we're going to do, we'll talk about commissions and how do we actually earn our living, and don't we always just pick the highest commission? No, we don't. So thanks for watching. I'm Tom Gaumond with G2 Insurance, your friend in insurance.